The other day, we got a question on our website from a couple who asked if country-style ribs are really ribs at all. You see, the husband insisted that they must be, since they usually have bones. And his wife said, they're way too meaty to be ribs. Well, they're both sort of right. Usually they have bones, yet country-style ribs aren't ribs at all. As you can see, they're more like a pork chop than a rib, since they're meatier, they're less fatty, and they're not cut from the rib section. And the nice thing about them, they can be cooked on the stovetop. And if we want, we can finish them off on the grill. All we do is put 3 to 4 pounds of country-style ribs in a deep skillet or a soup pot. Now, to give these lots of flavor, we'll throw together a homemade barbecue sauce, which is simply some ketchup, steak sauce, chopped garlic and onions, brown sugar, a bit of Worcestershire sauce, and a splash of water. We pour that over the ribs and let them simmer. Once they're tender, they're done. And these are so good, it doesn't matter if they're officially considered ribs or not. The recipe for our saucy country-style ribs is online now. The only question is, do we eat these with a fork or our fingers? Well, if you know me, it's pretty obvious. After all, I wouldn't want to miss any of the, ooh, it's so good.